Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not working. So let's get started. So here we are, and first of all, you would need to go into the App Store because from here we will be checking if you have updated your Microsoft Authenticator to the latest version because that might be causing the error. So make sure that you go here and go for Microsoft Authenticator and you do not have the update button just like mine right here. But if you don't have the update button and you're still getting errors, then what I recommend is that you go and delete your Microsoft Authenticator app first, just like that, delete the app. And then from here, you want to go and install Microsoft Authenticator again and see if it works. If not, then you can try restarting your device and see if it works again, so that you'd be sure that it's not a phone error, not a app error or whatsoever. So that would really help, even though it's very basic, but that would be a great help. And then the next one is that you want to go into your settings, and then from here you want to go into the iPhone storage. So you want to go into here, tap on general, and from here tap on iPhone storage right here, and make sure that you have enough storage. But if you have enough storage and you're still getting error, then what I recommend is go back into general, and from here you want to go for search right here, go for date and time. So make sure that you have set this automatically, because if you don't have, if your device time is different from the time in Authenticator, that might cause you error because it's not communicating efficiently. So it would really help if you set your time to automatic. So once you have done that, then you should be able to see that your Microsoft Authenticator is now fixed. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.